Hello and welcome to this special bulletin of HCL Squash Tour and HCL Southern Slam played in Chennai from June 4 to June 8. The tournament saw captivating action and a commanding display by some top players. Here we present to you the highlights of the action-packed days. HCL, a leading global conglomerate, conducted the tournament in association with the Squash Racket Federation of India. The Challenger Tour event saw some top Indian and international players from countries like Sri Lanka and Egypt. Top seed and tournament favourite Ravindu Laksiri from Sri Lanka cantered his way to the title in the men's singles like he had in the previous leg played in Indore. The 28-year-old from Colombo was at his best in the semi-final and destroyed his opponent Youssef Essam Farag of Egypt in 3 straight games 11-3, 11-8, 11-8 to book his place in the final.
3 straight game win, 11-3, 11-8, 11-8. He moves into the final.
Youssef was the 3rd seed and no mean opponent. But the Sri Lankan was at his best and won the crucial moments. It was a clinical and professional performance. His domination was completed when 2nd seed Rahul Betha gave him a walkover in the final. The final was an anticlimax of sorts. Betha turned up late for the match and it was awarded to the Sri Lankan by default.
Ravindu, where all can we see you in the upcoming tournaments, upcoming days? What are your plans?
I have in 12th the Asian Senior Team event in China. We are in the 7th seed in the out of 14 team, and we are planning to reach the top 4 in the Asian team event, and I hope to do my best in upcoming tournament.
Betha had promised a lot to be true. He was brilliant in his semi-final win over Ravi Dikshit. After losing the first set 11-13,
And the extra point game.
he won the next 3 11-3, 11-4, 11-4. Everybody expected a riveting final. Sadly, that did not happen.
And he has managed that. It's Rahul Betha has pulled a fantastic win over experienced Ravi Dikshit, 13-11.
Anahat Singh is the fastest rising Indian squash player. The 16-year-old has been sensational of late and she was at her best in Chennai. Winning both the HCL Squash Tour and HCL Southern Slam titles was a display of her tremendous skills. In the women's section, Indian sensation Anahat Singh showed why she is so highly rated. The 16-year-old has already won medals at the Asian Games. Anahat was dominant in the semi-final against Janet Vidhi. She dismantled the 5th seed 11-3, 11-3, 11-6.
11-6, match to 6.
And that's match and game. Or should one say game and match. Anahat Singh, 11-3, 11-3, and a very rare 11-6.
These kind of scores are not uncommon in squash, but for a 16-year-old to do this day after day is a special feat. The HCL Squash Tour is giving her and others a platform to showcase their talent. Anahat has made the most of the opportunity so far. The rising star and the top seed beat Ratika Seelan 11-5, 11-3, 11-3 in a rather one-sided final. Ratika is a top player and winner of the previous leg in Indore. Anahat came up with a commanding performance to completely subdue the 2nd seed. Anahat is the fastest rising Indian squash player and the one to watch out for.
Congratulations once again. So you will be representing India at the World Junior Championships. Anything you would want to say on that?
Yeah, I've played the last 2 times and lost in the quarters both times, but this time I'm going with the aim to win a medal, and yeah, that's it.
Anahat's rapid rise is encouraging news for Indian squash. The sport is set to become a part of the Los Angeles Olympic Games in 2028. The way she is progressing, Anahat will surely become one of India's major hopes in a few years. Her performance has belied her age, and this event was a perfect opportunity for her to show her authority. As expected, the player born to parents who played hockey did not disappoint. She also won the Under-19 girls title by defeating Shamina Riaz 11-6, 11-3, 11-2 in the final. Moving on from HCL Squash Tour Chennai 2024, it's time to talk about the other big event happening simultaneously. It is the HCL Southern Slam for junior players. Top seed Sandesh PR's triumph in the Under-19 boys section was one of the key highlights. There were 5 categories. Indian players proved their mettle by sweeping all the 10 titles on offer. Indian squash can expect big things from Sandesh PR. He's one of the upcoming youngsters who is doing well in the junior circuit. In the boys Under-19 final, he defeated Karan Yadav. After losing the first set 8-11, he came back strongly and took the next 3 scores of 11-5, 11-8, 11-5.
Down 11-5.
It was a comprehensive performance from the top seed against the second seed. We can expect a lot more from Sandesh if he keeps progressing the way he has been. Sports is about unearthing new talent, and the HCL Southern Slam is an endeavour in that direction. At the age of 17, Sandesh is actually doing well against older opponents. This tournament was a chance for him to get attention, and he did that in style. Coming to Karan, there is no reason for him to get disheartened. By reaching the final, he showed that he has it in him to go further. Defeats are acceptable as long as players learn from them. This was an opportunity to learn for all the participants, and Karan will come back stronger in the future. There were competitions in under 11, under 13, under 15 and under 17 sections as well. The response was tremendous, and these boys and girls did their best to win hearts. Not all of them won titles, but they were winners nonetheless. Subhash Chaudhary was the champion in the under 17 boys section. He beat Vedant Chedda 11-6, 11-5, 11-8 in the final. For the unseeded, Subhash to beat the second seed was creditable indeed.
11-8, next to Chaudhary, 11-6, 11-5, 11-8.
The under 17 girls crown was won by Akanksha Gupta. The top seed beat Rudra Singh 11-8, 11-9, 11-8 in the final.
11-8, match 2, Kansha Gupta, 3 games to love, 11-8, 11-9, 11-8. Cricket girls.
Lokesh Subramani emerged best in the boys under 15 competition. In a grueling final against the top seed Shiven Agarwal, Lokesh won 9-11, 12-10, 5-11, 11-8, 11-8. The under 15 girls title went to Diva Shah. The top seed defeated Adya Budhya 12-10, 11-3, 11-8 in a fairly one-sided match.
12-10, 11-3, 11-3.
Dhruv Bopanna was the winner in the boys under 13 section. The second seed toppled the top seeded Shayan Samtani 14-12, 11-3, 11-6.
As against Group 10. In the third game, Group 14-12, 11-3, 11-6. Group Bopanna, the champion in the boys under 13 finals.
Deepa Debiram won the girls under 13 competition. She overcame top seed Anika Kalanki in an intensely fought final. The score was 12-10, 11-13, 3-11, 11-9, 11-7.
That's the game, match, and the final to Deepa Debiram.
The tournament's success was celebrated at the closing ceremony attended by esteemed guests including Ishan Bhatnagar, member of Olympic Gold Quest, and Dr. Arumugam S., who is the director of Sri Ramachandra Center of Sports Science. There was a grand felicitation ceremony to applaud all their efforts with glittering trophies and medals. The felicitation was done by Mr. Ishan Bhatnagar, member of Olympic Gold Quest, HCL Associate Vice President and Head of Brand Strategy, Mr. Rajat Chandolia, and Dr. Arumugam S., Director of Sri Ramachandra Center of Sports Science.